Welcome to Plant Lanka, Pedureva. We the Sinhalese never tolerated the British rule. The Englishmen thought that they were God sent to bring power, poor and weak nations under their rule. But the Sri Lankans never accepted this, and they had remained for it. For example, when the truce called Magna Carta was signed in 1512, the King of England put his fingerprint as his signature. During that time, our King Parakrambahu wrote Kausidamina, a valuable book. This is being adored by our people even today. Whenever our people had a chance, we always ridiculed them. Now, I am telling a story or two like that. This took place about 1900 AD. British landowner was passing through a jungle path on his horse. Baron, a Sinhala villager, was coming from the opposite direction. Baron was a clever man who did not care about others, especially to hated Englishmen. However, when Englishman was at a distance, Baron took few steps back in order to clear the road for white man to pass. When the white man came nearer, Baron, by means of articulation, made the Britishman understand that there was some deer close by. So he expected, Baron, to get the gun from the Englishman, so to shoot down deer and give the white man. So he gave the gun and some bullets to Baron. Baron entered the jungle, and the Englishman was waiting for a gunshot. But it was too late. He stayed about 15 minutes, and at that time he heard a gunshot, and he was very happy, thinking that a deer is being shot down. After that, he expected Baron to come, but Baron did not come, and after that he never heard another gunshot. What Baron did was, he passed through the jungle to another village and lived there happily. The Englishman got wild. "You bloody rascal cheated me. If I meet you again, I will skin you down." Saying so, he returned home in rage. Number 2, hot and smarting chilies. A village farmer once collected these hot and smarting chilies. They were all ripened and reddish in color. It looked like some kind of fruits. When he was returning, he met an Englishman riding on a horse. Asked, "What is there in your basket? Is it some kind of fruit?" The villager just gave him a nod. Then he took some of them and gave some coins to the farmer and proceeded. On the way, the horseman wanted to taste the fruits which he bought from the farmer. Just by one bite, he could not bear the pain and he fell down from the horse. The horse ran away. He too ran along some distance and he found some hut far away. So he went to the hut and the farmer realized what had happened. So the farmer gave some milk to the Englishman in a coconut nutshell. He drank it and he gave another, and that also he drank, and now he was somewhat normal. Then he gave the farmer a copper and went to find his horse. Farmer was very happy about the money he received. Thanks. ඔයාට මේවා සබ්ජෙක්ට් එක කරන්න